Hey there, I'm Olivia. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing my April Ipsy unboxing. I am super excited about this. I love having Ipsy again. I had taken a break for a few months, but I'm back at it now, so I can't wait to see what I got. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then just keep on watching. By the way, the eye look that I'm wearing today was inspired by the card that I got in last month's Ipsy. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this, then I'll have the video linked in the description box below. But let's get started. So it looks like there is one thing that came out of the bag, and it's a brush. Okay, so I really like getting brushes in bags. I mean, as much as I really do like getting different makeup to try, it's always helpful to get a brush. They can be expensive depending on where you get it. This one is really soft, so it looks like it's gonna be good for bronzer maybe. Looks like this one is a Firma brush, number 103. I don't think I've used anything from that brand before, so that should be fun. It's a little bit smaller than brushes that I would typically use for bronzer, but maybe if I tipped it on the side, honestly, maybe it would be like a good contouring brush or whatever. I'll definitely use this. So the bag this month, oh my gosh, this is super cute. So it's got lemons all over it. I don't always feel like I want to keep the bag that it comes in, just because then you'd have like 30,000 bags, but this one I will definitely keep. It's so cute. Okay, so let's see what the card is for the month. So it looks like the theme is now in season, fresh spring beauty. So we've got like some pictures of citrus here. Looks like she's got like a bright pink lip, perfect for spring. So that's cute. I'll definitely enjoy making a makeup look based off of these things in a month. That'll be fun. I love those colors together. But let's see what else we got. Okay, so first thing, looks like we got a black eyeliner. So this is just a black liquid eyeliner. This one is from Eyeko London, and it looks like, oh wow, that's a really like, I don't know if you can really see that, but it looks like it's a really thin like edge. So that's gonna help to make a really precise line. I mean, depending on the user, I don't know. I don't know if I'll actually be able to make a precise line with this, but that would be purely user error and not the fault of the actual eyeliner. It's fairly black. I might need to just run this a few times. It looks like at first it was a little bit more grayish than like true black. But to be fair, I have a bunch of eyeshadow left in my hand from when I was just cleaning off my brush as opposed to actually grabbing something to clean my brush with, so that might be making it a little bit more difficult for it to go over. I don't know. But I actually really like it when I get eyeliners like this in an Ipsy bag. Not that I need like a ton more black liners, but I like it when I get like a little mini size like this. I kind of like to save it either for travel or if I'm doing my makeup on a day when I'm wearing my glasses. I actually much prefer to have like a shorter eyeliner like this, because when I'm not wearing my glasses, I mean, I need to be like this close to the mirror. Like this is how close I need to be. So if I have like a really long, or not even really long, but like a regular eyeliner, like it doesn't work. Like I'm too close to the mirror. But if I have something shorter like this, then I can actually like see what I'm doing and this doesn't hit the mirror, if that makes sense. If you wear glasses, you totally know what I mean. All right, next, it looks like we got, okay, so we got another primer. So this is the Tarte Double Duty Beauty, and it looks like this is the Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Last month we got a hydrating primer with First Aid Beauty one, so let me see how this feels. That feels nice. It really just kind of feels like a thin moisturizer. It doesn't seem like it has any kind of like glow or shimmer to it. So that's nice. I don't need everything in my life to be shimmery. I need a lot of things in my life to be shimmery, but not everything. So we got a mask. So this is the APTO skincare. I don't think I've ever heard of that before. It says it's a nourishing mask. It looks super liquidy in the bottle here. I'm not sure if you can really see that, but I'm not sure if you just need to like shake it up or if it just is a more liquidy product. I mean, I'm not mad at getting a mask in the bag, because it is something that I probably wouldn't go out and buy myself, so it's kind of nice like to be given it to try. But on the other hand, I don't do masks all that often, so I already have a little stockpile of little masks like this that I've only tried like once or twice, but I just haven't used the whole thing yet. So maybe this will be life-changing. Unless, of course, I lose it first. I don't know. I'll let you know. And then the last thing in here, we have something from the Balm. Oh my gosh, their packaging is just so cute. I love it so much. So it says that this is a creamy lip stain, and this one, I think it's in the shade, is it Salut? Ooh, I like the color. So I kind of prefer a cooler toned nude. I mean, I really like warm toned nudes on other people, but when it comes to myself, I'm just realizing the more lip products that I try out and just the more I get into it, I feel like cooler tones work better on me, if only because then I feel like they don't emphasize my teeth being slightly yellow. I don't know if anyone else has that problem, but I mean, not like my teeth are like crazy yellow or anything. They're just like teeth. Anyway, I'm excited about this. So it says that it's a creamy lip stain. So that makes it sound like it's not really, well, gosh, I'm not really sure then. Because if creamy makes me think that it's not going to dry down, but then stain makes me think that it will have some staying power to it. So I don't know. I'll definitely have to give this a go and let you know. Because if it is like more creamy and comfortable, but it leaves the stain behind as it wears away, that's probably like the ideal formula for me, because I like the staying power of a liquid lipstick, and I just don't always like the feeling of it being, you know, the Sahara on your mouth. So this could actually be a really good kind of middle ground for me. So I'm super excited about that. So overall, I'm really happy about the things that I got. I mean, I'm excited to try this primer. Primers aren't something that I usually go out of my way to buy, but if I'm given it in a bag like this, I really enjoy trying it. I'm super excited about the lip product. It looks like a color that I'm really gonna enjoy, so I'm super excited about that. The eyeliner, I mean, it's not like, what, a black eyeliner, wow, that's crazy, I'm so excited. But I am excited for like the size of it. I think that that's gonna be really good for, like I said, for travel or on days when I'm wearing my glasses and I still wanna do some eyeliner. I think that's gonna be helpful. The mask, I'm not like super excited about, but I'm not mad at it. I'm just like, it's fine. Like, it's 1 of 5, no big deal. And then the brush, I mean, it feels really soft. The last couple times that I got a brush in my bag, I think I got eye brushes, so it's kind of nice to get a face brush. So excited about trying that. But that's everything today. Thank you so much for watching. I sure hope you enjoyed it. I had fun. Hope you did as well. So if you'd be interested in seeing future videos, definitely make sure that you subscribe. I'll be doing looks using these products, trying them out very soon. And then, like I said, I'm going to be doing a look based off of this card. That'll be showing up at the end of the month after I've gotten a chance to play with these things a little bit. So definitely stay tuned for that. If you have any thoughts, comments, suggestions, definitely leave them down below. Let me know what you got in your bag, if you got any of the same items, if you've tried them before, what you're excited about, if there's anything that you're like, kind of wish I'd gotten something else. Let me know, definitely. And thanks again for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope I see you again soon. Bye!